All right, there are two places to keep an eye on what all this costs you. First, your OpenRouter activity page for AI usage, and your hosting or dashboard for the server itself. Back in OpenRouter on your API keys page, you can see the usage so far for that specific key. You can also click Activity on the left side under Account and see your current spend, number of requests, and total number of tokens used, and it breaks it up by hour in the day. By default, you can also change it to different time periods. So you can really get a good sense for what kinds of activities and requests are costing a lot of money. Your AI model is the single biggest lever on your bill. DeepSeek V4, the one we picked, is one of the cheaper, reliable options. If you ever need more reasoning power for a hard task, in Telegram, send /model as a command to switch to a different model. From there, you can click Open Router and get a list of all the models that are available to you. If you need more power, you can step up to something like Claude Opus 4.7. Just keep in mind that more power comes with more cost. Or if you want to step down to something cheaper, you can do that too. For me, I'll go ahead and switch us back to DeepSeek, since it's a great LLM for daily use. You can also tell the agent to use a specific model for a specific scheduled job, so your routine work stays cheap while heavier tasks get the smarter model. Now, back in the Hostinger dashboard, you can keep track of your costs by clicking on your profile in the upper right, and then clicking Billing to see your past information, as well as upcoming subscriptions and the renewal price. That's what you'll pay when the introductory term ends. I recommend checking the OpenRouter activity page every few days while you're just getting started. That way you can see your real usage and adjust the models you use before anything surprises you.